Hey, this is Casey with SMW Tint Kits. I'm gonna go over a few of the tools that we use and that we have available on the website. This is an easy reach corner card. This is for reaching deep behind the gaskets where you can't get with the Squeegee or a normal hard card. Also, this is really good for tucking the tint below the gasket on the bottom. Here's another corner card, but this one's good for heat shrinking and also getting out water, where the easy reach card is too hard and it can scratch the film. This is just a typical card. These are really good for heat shrinking the windows. In my opinion, this is a must. You need a good quality squeegee to get all of the water left behind. A good, high quality absorbent microfiber is your best friend during the install. And then finally, razor blades. This is how we prep all of the windows. Once again, you can get any of these tools on our website and they're gonna make your job a lot easier.